What's up, guys? I'm Chase.
And I'm Landon, and today we're unboxing the newly released Adidas Yeezy 500 High Miss Stone. Let's go.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so looking at these in hand, these things they're okay. You know, I personally am just not a fan of the Yeezy 500 High, but overall, the quality on these is very nice. But other than that, I really don't have much to say about this shoe, so that's my first impressions. What about you? What do you think?
Yeah, so the Yeezy 500 is not my favorite model, but especially not the high. I am kind of partial to the lows, but the color scheme on these is actually really nice. That Miss Stone colorway with the gray, kind of like suede almost on some of these overlays gives these a really clean look. But overall, rating these 1 to 5, what are you gonna give?
You know, I'm gonna have to agree with you. I do agree with the upper. I like this colorway out of the 500 highs, but personally, my rating is gonna be a 2 out of 5 for me, just because I don't think a lot of people are gonna be in the market for a high fashion type of boot. You know, when it comes down to boots, usually it's for wearability and durability, and I don't think both of those are gonna actually line up with this shoe. So it's gonna be a 2 out of 5 for me. But what's your rating? What do you think?
Yeah, I'm gonna go just a little bit higher at a 2.5 out of 5. Because like I said, I do like the 500 model whenever it's a low, but I just can't really get on board whenever they turn it into a high. It kind of makes it look really funky, but that is kind of the theme of Yeezy shoes, is making some kind of weird looking designs. But like I said, the colorway is going to be one of my favorites out of the two. And then the quality of the materials on that upper, it's always going to be up to par. So I'm going to go ahead and give these a 2.5 out of 5. But that actually wraps up our unboxing for the Yeezy 500 High Miss Stone. Thank you guys for taking some time to watch. And if you're interested in purchasing these shoes, we're going to leave some links below in the description for you.
Also, if you guys like this shoe, definitely give this video a like. And if you don't, let us know why in the comments below. And while you're there, feel free to give these your rating 1 to 5. But until next time,
Peace.